Hello students, I welcome you all to today's amazing session. This is Aarti Pillai, your English teacher, and today we are going to discuss a wonderful chapter. As you can see on the screen, a short monsoon diary. Okay, a short monsoon diary gives us a glimpse of the diary written and maintained by Ruskin Bond. A diary is a record of personal experiences written day after day over a long period of time. Do you know about the diary? As I told you, a diary is a record of personal experiences, right? So, in his diary, Ruskin Bond wrote about the silent miracles of nature as the mountains receive monsoon showers, right? The monsoon season in Missouri begins around the last week of June and continues till the end of August. So, students, the cold rain are welcomed in October till the last darkest cloud in March, which renders the sky clear for the rainbow after it heals. So students, what we are going to do in this chapter? Right, correct, exactly. We are going to read the chapter line by line. We are going to underline the difficult words and we will come to know the meanings. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. Shall I start? Okay. Let's read the first para. Okay, the first day of monsoon mist, and it's strange how all the birds fall silent as the mist comes. Underline the word mist, students. Given over here, mist. Underline. Okay, climbing up the climbing up the hill. Perhaps that's what makes the mist so melancholy. Melancholy underline. Given over here. Melancholy, not only does it conceal underline the hills, it blankets also underline them in silence underline too. Only an hour ago the trees were ringing with bird song, and now the forest is deathly still as though it were midnight. Though the mist Biju is calling to his sister. I can hear him running about on the hillside, but I cannot see him. So, students, the meaning of mist, that means a cloud of tiny water. Okay, and mist, it's a noun, and verb we call it cover. Okay, or become covered. And melancholy, that means very sad, right? Conceal, that means not allowed to be seen or hide. And blankets, you know it very well, covers. So students, what happened in this para, the lesson gives us a glimpse into the diary of Ruskin Bond, and the first day being talked about is June 24, the time around which monsoon begins, right? As is written, June 24 is the first day when the mist appeared. The writer calls it strange how all the birds suddenly went silent as a cloud of tiny droplets climbed up the hills, right? Everything was silent over there. He tries to explain why the mist is called melancholy. What is the meaning of melancholy? Very sad. So why why the writer called it melancholy? By giving two reasons. First, it covers up the mountains and hides the serene view. Okay, and second, it silences the birds hereby bringing sadness. Okay, he writes how only an hour before the mist appeared, trees could be heard ringing with the chirping of birds. But now it was so still and silent that he called the forest deathly, as it felt that it was almost midnight. गेटिंग मी स्टूडेंट्स, दैट मीन्स जैसे ही बर्ड और सब शांत हो गए तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि कुछ दुख का माहौल है, राइट? थोड़ी देर पहले ही बर्ड चिपिंग कर रही थी, आवाज़ें कर रही थी, सारे अच्छे माहौल था, बट आफ्टर सम टाइम बर्ड्स और चिपिंग करना बंद कर दिए, क्लाउड्स कवर्ड हो गए मिस्ट से. सो ऐसा लग रहा था कि कोई दुख का माहौल है. And students, the writer could hear Biju call for his sister, okay, but could not see him through the mist, right? And he could anticipate that Biju was running about on the hillside, right? So students, on June 25th, on the 25th day of June that year, okay, the hill witnessed some early monsoon rain which brought with itself warmth and humidity, right? And it's different from the showers the hill receive all year that cools the environment of such high altitude. The plant also knew it very well that the monsoon had arrived as the first cobra lily of the season plunged its head, making its way among the ferns as the writer walked till the bank and the post office. Upon being asked by a schoolboy, the author described the hill station and valley as a paradise that might have been. एक स्कूल बॉय जो था वो ऑथर से पूछता है कि इस एरिया इस जगह को डिस्क्राइब करो, तो ऑथर ये डिस्क्राइब करते हैं कि अ पैराडाइज दैट माइट हैव बीन सीन. इसका मतलब ये है, इट मीन्स दैट ड्यूरिंग मानसून सीजन द हिल स्टेशन एंड वैली मस्ट फील हेवनली, विच इज़ वाई इट हैज़ बीन रेफर्ड टू एज अ पैराडाइज, राइट. इतना सुंदर, इतना ब्यूटीफुल दिखता है, जिसके कारण राइटर ने उसे पैराडाइज से कंपेयर किया है. ओके, स्वर्ग जैसा, राइट. So June 27, the rain have heralded the arrival of some seasonal visitors, a leopard and several thousand leeches. Yesterday afternoon, the leopard lifted a dog from near the servants' quarter below the school. In the evening, it attacked one of Biju's cows and fled at the approach of Biju's mother, who came screaming imprecations. As for the leeches, I shall soon get used to a little bloodletting every day. Other new arrival are the scarlet minivets, flitting silently among the leaves like brilliant jewels. No matter how leafy the trees, these brightly colored birds cannot conceal themselves, although by remaining absolutely silent, they sometimes contrive to go unnoticed. Along come a pair of drongos, unnecessarily aggressive, chasing the minivets away. So students, heralded, underlined, announced, imprecations, that means curses. Leeches, you know it very well, an aquatic or terrestrial worm, okay, with suckers at both ends, okay. Blood sucking parasites, we can say that, students, right. And bloodletting, that means losing blood, okay. Scarlet minivets, that means a bright red bird like a cuckoo, right. And contrive, that means, students, contrive meaning is manage to do something. And drongus, that means a songbird with a stout bill. So let's see, students. The rain brought with itself the news of the arrival of a few occasional visitors like the leopard and quite a few thousand leeches. Okay, on the afternoon, the day before, the leopard picked up a dog from near the servant quarters, which was below the school. Not only this, in the evening, what happened to, it ambushed one of the Biju's cow, but ran away as soon as Biju's mother came cursing, right. Let's see what happened then. काऊ को लेके जा रहा था लेपर्ड, तो उसकी बीजू की मदर ने देख लिया और उसको भगा दिया, जिससे वो बच गया, राइट. विद द लीचेस ऑन द अदर हैंड, द राइटर सेज that he must get used to losing a little blood to them every day. Now what writer mentioned? He mentions a few other names that arrived with the rain, such as the scarlet minivet, ब्राइट रेड बर्ड्स. ये सब चीज़ें जैसे ही बारिश शुरू होती है तो ये चीज़ें दिखाई देती है. ये लाइक ब्राइट रेड बर्ड्स दिखाई देती है, डेट लुक्स लाइक अ कुकू. हाउएवर देयर फीमेल counterparts are yellow in color, okay. They move swiftly and lightly among the leaves, giving the appearance of brilliant jewels around them. And students, these birds are so bright in their color that regardless of how leafy the tree is, it is difficult for them to hide themselves, right. However, sometimes they manage to go unnoticed by remaining absolutely silent, okay. A bird species named Brongus also comes along quite unnecessarily aggressive in nature, right? And they chase these minivets away. A tree creeper moves rapidly up the trunk of the oak tree, snapping up insects all the way. Now that the rains are here, there is no dearth of food for the insectivorous bird. So, students, during this time, a tree creeper, you know it very well, plant that needs support to stand up, any plant that grows along the ground, okay, around another plant, that is called creeper. So students, during this time a tree creeper climbs up the trunk of the oak tree, right, and carrying insect with it. Getting me, students? The rainy season ensures that there is no scarcity of food for the insect eating bird. फूड की कोई कमी नहीं है इंसेक्टिवोरस बर्ड के लिए, क्योंकि रेनी सीजन में बहुत सारे इंसेक्ट बाहर निकल के आते हैं। तो इंसेक्टिवोरस एनिमल के लिए, बर्ड्स के लिए, इंसेक्टिवोरस बर्ड्स के लिए फूड की कोई कमी नहीं है, राइट।